Okay, so hi dear Cancer, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general love reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 11 till the 17th of May 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to fit yourself forcibly into the readings, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course and self-love course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Just give me a second, honey. Yeah. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see what we have. Death card. Somebody here is feeling like this situation is over and or this situation is totally transformed. It's not the same as it used to be, and it is never going to be the same. Let's clarify the death as their feelings for you. So I have the Four of Pentacles, the Three of Cups, and the Nine of Wands. Okay, now this person is feeling like even if they're still holding on to this connection, this bond energetically, they feel like they should keep their guards up and they should not get themselves involved in the situation anymore, because there's nothing left in the situation that they can do anything about, and the situation is totally different from what it used to be, and it's kind of going to be totally different from this point onwards. Okay, so they feel like even if they are going to do something or say something or try to involve in the situation again, this is not going to be the same, so what's the use of even trying? So they feel this is totally different from what it used to be, and it is always going to be like this now from this point onwards. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? Three of Pentacles. From your side, you feel like there should be equal interest and equal investment for a collaboration or partnership to work out in a proper way. So might be things are not working out because of you guys not being able to come on the same page. Let's clarify the Three of Pentacles as their feelings, as your feelings for this particular person or situation, Cancer. So I have the Five of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, Knight of Swords. Yes, you're feeling left out in the cold by the situation, and you got the proper mental clarity that even if you guys are going to give your 100%, this is not going to work out. So you feel like running away from the situation as far as you can and never looking back, because you did your best, you gave your best, and now you're tired, and now you're feeling like it's draining your life, it's draining your energies. So what's the use of even thinking about this situation? So you feel like running away from the situation and never looking back, because you got the proper clarity that all you are going to get out of this situation is hurt and pain and feeling left out in the cold again and again and again. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Two of Pentacles. This person wants a stable energy here. They want to end this on and off, in and out, we are together, we are not together kind of dynamics. They definitely want to stabilize this bond between you and them. There's a lot of on and off, in and out, full of confusion kind of energy, or they might have a choice between you and somebody else, or choice between you and something else. Let's clarify. Or you do. Ten of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, and the Page of Swords, right? So they want to understand whether you guys are interested in putting in the effort and energy in this dynamics to create something long term, to create something stable, or you just want to keep playing the games as you guys are playing with each other. So they want a proper clarity and understanding of if this situation is going to become something long term, something beautiful, something happy go lucky, a happily ever after kind of a deal. If you guys are willing to put in the effort and energy in this dynamics or not, and or they should just keep themselves at a safe distance and not invest in the situation anymore. So they want proper answers, clarity, and that kind of situation stability in their head. So it's happening inside of them only. I don't think so they're seeking it from you. They're trying to figure it out within themselves only right now, because a lot of things are not moving forward accordingly the way it should. That's why they are just trying to analyze within themselves. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? Ace of Pentacles. From your side, you just want a solid, committed connection that you can rely on. Something stable, something long term, something committed. Okay. Okay, you want something stable. Maybe most of you are focused on your money, job, career, finances right now, not on relationship. But if you are going to be asked for a relationship, you want something solid, stable, and long term kind of a thing. Okay, you're done with this on and off, in and out games. Ace of Wands, Death card, and the seven of Swords. You don't want any kind of deceptive energies, just for fun kind of energies. People who are manipulative, people who keeps on cheating, keep on betraying, keep on doing shitty things behind your back. You want a brand new beginning, but you don't want anything negative in your love and relationship area at all, because you're done with that kind of shit where things were not fair, things were based on manipulations, cheatings, and lies and whatnot. So you want something stable, something long term, something good, nothing bad, nothing but something good. And you don't want anybody in by your side who lied to you, who cheated on you, who did something wrong with you, even if it was a small thing, but you can't trust them anymore. So basically, you don't want to allow the people who you left behind, who broke your heart, who broke your trust, to enter in your space again. Okay, cool. That's a good deal. And you want somebody that you can rely on, that you can fully trust on, that you can have a stable kind of, safe kind of energy with, right? Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys, Cancer, till the 17th of May. So I have the Six of Pentacles. It's like a situation that is still going to be a little bit imbalanced, but one of you is trying, like at least trying to make the situation balanced in some way. Let's clarify the Six of Pentacles as a potential outcome for you guys, Cancer. I think something is missing here. I don't know what that is. Yeah, Empress in reverse, Seven of Pentacles, and the Seven of Wands. Right? There's no movement. There's no growth and expansion. There's just waiting and watching and waiting and watching and hoping for something to happen. But one of you is refusing to open up. One of you is refusing to say even hi to the other person here. So how this situation is going to be equal give and take of energy? How this situation is going to be balanced? If one of you is, I don't think so. Both of you are doing anything here. Like even one of you is trying to make things work out in a proper way, but at least one of you is willing to try, and the other person is like, "Fuck this shit. I don't want to. Goodbye." Yeah. This has become a shit show. This has become a very, very complicated situation, because one of you is always in this energy of trying to make something stable, long term, and a stable, safe, and secure kind of a connection. And one of you is like manipulating, cheating, betraying, lying, and trying to manipulate the situation again and again and again according to them. And that is creating a very, very complicated and complex kind of energies between you and them. So the person who is feeling like this situation is totally different from what it used to be, and it is never going to be the same again, is actually being honest with themselves here, whether it's you or them or both of you. But in the outcome, I do see somebody wanting to at least try to have this equal give and take of energy, and the other person is totally refusing to participate in the situation, because they are like, I don't want to. Let's wait and watch and hope for the right time to come, so that I will participate if I want to, but right now I don't want to. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Cancer, for this situation. So I have the Justice, the Ten of Wands, the World card. Just to choose to do the right thing, Cancer. Choose to do the right thing, not what you think is right, the thing that is actually right. Let's say, for example, you know that even if you like somebody a lot, they are a negative person, that they are a toxic person, and they are not good for you, good for your mental health, good for you otherwise. Don't go in that direction. Just an example, but it can be the truth as well. So you have to do the justice with yourself, Cancer. You have to start doing the justice with yourself first. Then only the universe will be able to do justice with you in the 3D world. Universe is neutral. Universe is nothing. It's like our energy is going there, going out, and coming back to us. That's universe. That's it. Every one of us have a totally different universe, right? So if you are not going to do justice with yourself, no one else on this planet Earth is going to help you, and beyond that also, right? So choose to do the right thing, even if it is going to make you feel uncomfortable, even if it is going to make you feel you are going to die alone, even if it is going to make you feel like you lost the last person alive on this planet Earth. Choose to do the right thing so that you are going to get the right kind of energy in return. Choose to do the justice with yourself first, so that you can expect justice from the universe, from the outside world too. Let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Cancer. This portion also might or might not resonate with you. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it, just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. If you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for you if you want to. If not, don't worry about it. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is, let me see. We have unlikely. Unlikely is the unlikely card, while not an absolute no, does suggest that what you're asking about is unlikely to occur. However, it is a classic case of if anything changes, everything could change. The future is fluid, so make some changes and ask again. That's the answer for you guys, if this is making any sense. Thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.